Hi and welcome back to my series called Easy Summer Recipes, where I show you how to make delicious recipes in no time. Today I'm making whipped tofu. Add spices and tofu to a blender and mix until it's completely smooth. I mean, just see my reaction. I got a new blender, okay? Then you want to prep all the things, so cut the bread and cut the toppings. So I added spring onions and chili and then set it aside. This bit was the most fun. I actually thought it was going to be really difficult, but it was so satisfying and so easy. Then you want to add lemon zest on top and a frozen tomato. I mean, how exciting. Then some cress, dill, spring onions and chili. And enjoy. And if you want to be really fancy, you can add some olive oil and it'll taste even better. Enjoy! See you next time!